Okay, my friends, let's practice our song. Today is difficult, so we are not gonna be sticking in there because he sings very fast. It is difficult for us. But let's learn to be able to sing and understand every word he's singing, okay? Every word he's saying while he sings. Let's go.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun.
So it is long, so let's split in small parts. When the morning comes, when we see what we've become, those two sentences he sings together. In the cold light of day, we are a flame in the wind. Okay? So these two sentences here, he sings together. Not the fire that we've begun. Every time we have this, we say them straight together. Remember, we saw that in class. We've. When the morning comes, when we see what we've become, in the cold light of day, we are flame in the wind, not the fire that we've begun. Every argument, every word we can take back. Okay? Every argument, every word we can take back. If it is too difficult for you, that's okay. Don't worry. The important is that we are learning and practicing. As much as we practice, we are going to be able to sing faster. So don't be shy. Sing the way you know, the way you understand. And we are going to be very good to sing the chorus. Okay? Practice. Next week, we are going to start from here. Cause we're going to from them on. Okay, my friends, practice. Let's listen one more time and bye-bye.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. 'Cause with all the
Okay, my friends. Bye-bye.